Hi there, let's take a look at earning the extra credit for our class, Excel Beginning. You can see on the screen I'm already logged into Blackboard. I'm just going to scroll down and advance to our course's site within Blackboard, Excel Beginning. From here I'm going to scroll down a little bit till I see My IT Lab on the left, and then in the middle I'm going to click on My IT Lab course content. The extra credit for our course is offered as a capstone within the My IT Lab system, so it's just like completing the capstones that we did for every other chapter. So once you're advanced, then scroll down past chapters 1, 2, 3, 4, until you see Excel Volume 1 Capstone Activities. That's the one you want, the extra credit. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Okay, so the extra credit is available to you to earn extra points in the class. So any points you earn are extra points. So I'd really encourage you to go for it. Go and try the extra credit and submit it, see what you can get. But in addition, if you earn 86 or higher on the extra credit, you're eligible to receive a digital badge for your Excel skills. So when you submit it, and if you earn 86 or higher, then what you need to do is watch your student email account for an email message from Pearson Publishing. You have to opt in or say yes to the digital badge, and then once you do that, Pearson will send you the instructions for receiving that badge. And the digital badge really is like an electronic image that you can use to then put on your resume and on your LinkedIn account, testifying to your Excel skills. And digital badges are really a hot topic in industry these days. Sometimes they're called micro-credentials, and they set you apart as a job candidate for when you're applying for work, either now or after graduation. So I strongly encourage you to try the extra credit, and if you do earn that good score, accept and apply the digital badge to your resume and your LinkedIn account. If you have any questions at all, feel free to email me.